Hi there, fellow garden enthusiasts. Are you dreaming of escaping to a lush tropical paradise without leaving your home? Well, you are in a far a treat. In today's video, we are diving deep into the world of tropical gardening and showing you how to transform your backyard into a stunning oasis that shall make you feel like you are on a permanent vacation. So grab your sunscreen and let's get started. Number 1. Picking the perfect plants. First thing first, it's all about the plants. Choose a mix of tall palms, colorful hibiscus, exotic orchids, and fragrant fragpani. These plants thrive in warmer climates and will give your garden that authentic tropical vibe. Don't forget to research the specific needs of each plant to ensure they flourish in your area. Number 2. Designing your paradise. Now you that your plants, let's talk design. Create different layers by placing taller plants at the back and shorter ones in the front. Add a winding pathway lined with pebbles to lead the way to your oasis. Incorporate a cozy seating area where you can sip your morning coffee surrounded by greenery. Talk about a perfect start to the day. Number 3. Playing with color. Bring on the colors. Tropical gardens are all about vibrant hues. Choose a color palettes that include shades of pink, purple, red, and orange to create a visually stunning experience. Plant flowers in clusters for maximum impact and don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations. Number 4. Water features for tranquility. The shooting sound of water. Consider adding a small pond with a gentle waterfall or a bubbling fountain. Not only will it provide a tranquil ambience, but it shall also attract birds and butterflies, adding an extra layer of magic to your oasis. Number 5. Embrace the wild. Tropical gardens have a wild, intimate beauty. Let some plants grow a bit more freely and embrace that jungle-like charm. Allow vines to climb trellises and trees to create a natural canopy. This unstructured look adds to the authenticity of your tropical heaven. Number 6. Outdoor living room. Time to create your outdoor living rooms. Find comfortable weather resistant furniture and add plenty of cushions and throws. This space is not just for lounging, it's where you can entertain guests or simple unwind with a good book. Number 7. Ambient lighting. As the sun sets, your oasis can still shine with the right lighting. Hang string lights, use lanterns, or place solar-powered path lights along your garden's pathways. This soft illumination will make your tropical garden even more magical during those warm summer nights. Number 8. Maintenance made easy. Maintaining a tropical garden does not have to be a headache. Regular pruning and Mulching will keep your plants healthy. Consider using slow-release fertilizers to keep them thriving throughout the year. And remember, a little bit of maintenance goes a long way in preserving your oasis. Conclusion. There you have it, fellow garden adventurers. Your very own lush tropical paradise with the right plants, a well thought out design, and a touch of your personal style. You can escape to this oasis whenever you need a break from the daily hustle. So roll up your sleeves, grab your gardening gloves, and let your creativity bloom. Thanks for joining us on this tropical journey. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more gardening inspiration and share your own tropical garden transformation in the comments below. Until next time, happy gardening.